Hey everyone, this is Paul from Day to Day Fixes. Today I will update you on the Ultraloq Latch 5 Smart Wi-Fi lock. We've been using it for almost 1 month, and what we've noticed is the screen does not illuminate or show numbers sometimes. It beeps, but the numbers do not show up. When using the fingerprint reader, the green light does not show up as well, as you can see. I had to take the battery cover out and removed and replaced the batteries to reset the lock. It worked for a few days, then again the screen didn't illuminate. I did this process again, hoping for a different outcome, but again the screen stopped illuminating. And in order for it to illuminate, I had to remove the battery cover and remove the batteries and replace them. I contacted Amazon, and after a lengthy chat, they sent me a new one. I will replace and return this one. I hope it's just a one-off and the new one works better. I really do like the smart lock when it works as designed. If any more hiccups arise, I will make another video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.